Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to install Chrome extensions in Brave. All right. So I'd like for you to know that Brave's extension store and Chrome Web Store is basically the same. Okay. So what you're going to do is just open up Brave right here. Now go to the top right, click on the three horizontal lines, hover over extensions, and just click on Visit Web Store. Or you could go ahead and click on the extension section right here, click on Manage Extensions, and click on Web Store. Okay, so as you can see here, we are now currently in the Chrome Web Store. Now you could just go ahead and look for whatever extension you wanted to install or browse through the categories right here. Okay, let's say we're going to install Grammarly. Just click on it and just click on Add to Brave instead of Add to Chrome. Okay, you click on it, there will be a pop-up. Click on Add Extension, wait for the process to finish. And once that's done, it will just automatically pop up. And in some extensions, it will ask you to log in. If not, you can just go ahead and go to the extensions manager right here. And as you can see, we now have Grammarly. That is it. That is how you install Chrome extensions in Brave. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.